Hi, welcome to Section 2, Downloading and Setup. In this section, we will learn downloading and installing Elasticsearch, setting up the network, node, and different node types. We will also learn installing and removing plugins, changing log settings, and setting up a node via Docker. Now, we move on to the first video of this section that deals with downloading and installing Elasticsearch. In this video, we're going to take a look at downloading Elasticsearch from the web. Elasticsearch has an active community, and the release cycles are very fast. Because Elasticsearch depends on many common Java libraries, the Elasticsearch community tries to keep them updated and fixes bugs that are discovered in them and in Elasticsearch core. For these reasons, if it's possible, the best practice is to use the latest available release. Install a supported Elasticsearch operative system such as Linux or Mac OS or Windows with a Java JVM 1.8. You may visit this link. First of all, download Elasticsearch from the web. The link to download is this. The versions that are available for different operative systems are as zip. It is for both Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows operative systems. tar is for Linux and Mac. Deb is for Debian-based Linux distributions. It also covers the Ubuntu family. It is installable with this Debian command. RPM is for Red Hat-based Linux distributions. It also covers CentOS family. It is installable with this command. We extract the binary content. After downloading the correct release for our platform, the installation involves expanding the archive in a working directory. For Windows platform, a good directory could be C drive Elasticsearch 5.2.2, that is, the version number. To run Elasticsearch, you need a Java Virtual Machine 1.8 or above installed. If you are a Mac OS user and you've installed Homebrew, the first and the second step are automatically managed by brew install Elasticsearch command. We start Elasticsearch to check if everything is working. To start your Elasticsearch server, just install the directory and type this command. Your server should now start up as shown on the screen. The Elasticsearch package generally contains 3 directories. First is the bin folder. This contains the script to start and manage Elasticsearch. The most important ones are elasticsearch.bat. This is the main script to start Elasticsearch. Plugin.bat. This is a script to manage plugins. Second is the config folder. This contains the Elasticsearch configs. Is elasticsearch.yml. This is the main config file for Elasticsearch. Then log4j2.properties. This is the logging config file. Next is lib. This contains all the libraries required to run Elasticsearch. Modules folder contains the Elasticsearch default module extensions. And last is the plugins folder. This contains the installed plugins. During Elasticsearch startup, a lot of events happened. A node name is chosen automatically if not provided in elasticsearch.yml. The name is randomly taken from an in-code embedded Elasticsearch text file. A node name hash is generated for this node. If the modules are loaded, the default installed modules are AGGS matrix stats. This acts as a good support for aggregation matrix stats. Ingest common. These include common functionalities for ingesting. Lang expression. This acts as a good support for expression language. Lang groovy acts as a good support for groovy language. Lang mustache acts as a good support for mustache language. Lang painless acts as a good support for painless language. Percolator. This acts as a good support for percolator capabilities. Reindex acts as a good support for reindex action. If there are plugins, they are loaded. Automatically, if not configured, Elasticsearch binds on all network addresses available to ports. Port 9300 is used for internal intranode communication. Port 9200 is used for HTTP REST API. After starting, if indices are available, they are restored and ready to be used. If these port numbers are already bound, Elasticsearch automatically increment the port number and tries to bind on them until a port is available.